Hi, welcome to the second part of the unboxing video for the tripod and ball head for Vanguard. This is the GH-100 pistol grip ball head that I'll be using with the tripod, the 263 AT aluminum tripod for Vanguard. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So this Ballhead is after looking at several videos online, I found this to be the best fit for me, and hopefully it should last a long time. Comes with the instruction manual for the tripod head and the head itself. There's the tripod head, the GH-100. From what I've read, this is a good tripod if you're mainly shooting stills. Not so much if you're into video photography. But if you're into stills, it gives you that that little bit of extra when you're shooting using a tripod. So it's got a screw that you can adjust the tension right here. That's the tension with which the head is going to rotate on, the pistol grip itself is going to rotate on the head. And it also, if you can see here, it comes with a calibrated section. So if you're into shooting panoramas, you can actually use that to take photographs at various angles, and then maybe use a software program to stitch them together, or however, or if your camera lets you do that within itself, then you could do that too. So overall, it seems like it's a nice tripod head. I'll probably do another review of this with the tripod, so I can set that up on that and give you guys a demo on how it looks and how it works. Alright, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching.